first recipe, I'm going to be using 3 inches of ginger. Now the ratio is 1:1:1. The next thing I'm going to add are some coriander seeds. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons. The last thing I'm going to add is about 3 cups of water. And now I'm going to blend. After it has blended well, I'm going to go ahead and strain it. And the last thing that I'm going to do is add it to an ice cube tray to freeze. In my next recipe, I'm going to be using fresh turmeric. This is about 3-inch pieces of turmeric. So all that goes into my blender. The next thing I'm going to add are some carrom seeds or ajwain. Again, 3 tablespoons because the ratio is 1:1:1. Now turmeric only absorbs in your body if you add some black pepper. So I'm going to do about small pinches of black pepper into this. So about 1, 2, 3. And lastly, some water. So I'm making 3 batches together. That I'm going to do is strain. And the last thing that I'm going to do is pour it into these molds. So for my ginger and coriander seed, I'm going to add 2 ice cubes into a cup, a teaspoon of honey, and some hot water on top. I'm going to repeat the same process for even the turmeric and ajwain seed concoction.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.